Hi, I'm about to say how to convert your horizontal videos to the vertical for Instagram or TikTok, or extend your videos or remove some bad things. Let's start from Photoshop. You need to do the screenshot of this. Open Photoshop, import the photo, select the area, select these things, we don't need them, or extend the image by doing this. Then you can go to the video editing software, import the new photo, and use the mask to do this. It's Photoshop, it costs money, but you can do the same thing with Runway AI for free. Yeah, let's do the same. Make screenshot. Yeah, you can extend picture using this tool, import to the software, or you can replace something using this one. Then you need to export this, and then go to the editing software, add your screenshot. I also use Mask Magic to do this. Yeah, that's cool. I like it.
Yeah, it's quite easy, right? Follow me for more tutorials.